Lieutenant Governor Sylvia Luke and 3 other current and former government officials pleaded not guilty today to bribery and conspiracy charges. They all kept quiet in court, but our Daryl Huff spoke to lawyers who see flaws in the state's case.
The lieutenant governor arrived behind a wall of security, but in court shared hugs and managed a jaunty shaka for the camera. Her attorney was the first to deny guilt.
We enter pleas of not guilty to counts 1, 2, and 10 and ask that a trial be set.
Other attorneys echoed that statement for their clients. Leo Asuncion was Luke's campaign treasurer, accused of covering up donations from businessman Toby Soledum, who was looking for money for COVID testing. Former state lawmaker and Human Services Director Ryan Yamane allegedly took thousands in cash from Soledum, and State Airports Administrator Ford Fujikami is accused of taking a bribe while working for the state Senate. Judge Ron Johnson assigned the case to Judge Paul Wong and set trial for September 28th. Do you want to say anything at all? No? Okay. How about Richard?
No, thanks.
Are you thinking about severing this case? Do you think it's fair that everybody's in the same boat?
No, third time.
I don't know anything yet until we get to discovery, so I don't want to make any statements regarding this matter.
The indictment says all 5 worked together in conspiracy, which the attorneys will challenge.
They're virtually impossible to prove. And why this Attorney General thinks that she can do something that many, many more experienced prosecutors have not been able to successfully do, I just don't know.
Do you think it's just political?
Yes, I do.
The Attorney General has denied any political influence and said lead prosecutor David Van Acker was in charge.
It is my opinion that the government is going to have a difficult time proving this conspiracy. Just based on the language included in the indictment, it does not seem that there was an actual agreement.
Veteran criminal attorney Megan Cow points out that the transcripts of Luke's only meeting with Soledum, where she accepted 2 campaign donations, seem to show her turning down his offer of more money twice. Soledum was indicted with the others, but has been in the Philippines since 2024.
It looks like Miss Luke was saying, no, there is no agreement. And therefore, my opinion is that the government is going to need to call Mr. Soledum to testify against Miss Luke to prove that there was, in fact, an agreement.
The defendants will remain free on bail until trial. The trial date 2 months from now is considered very unrealistic. It could be many months before we see the end of this case. Reporting from Circuit Court, Daryl Huff, Hawaii News Now.